Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to explain one of the important topic in electrochemistry, that is conductance of electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution is taken in a electrolytic cell or conductivity cell. This is electrolytic cell, or conductivity cell. In this we are using electrodes. What is the distance between two electrodes? L, and area of cross section of these electrodes is small a or capital A. Small a and capital A or capital A. In the conductance of electrolytic solutions and terms, important the terminology in conductance of electrolytic solutions. In that the first one is resistance. Resistance is R. What is the resistance R? The opposing force present in a electrolytic solution to the electric flow of current is known as resistance. Some opposing force is developed in the electrolytic solution because of interactions. That opposing force in an electrolytic solution is known as resistance R. This resistance R, according to Ohm's law, is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to area of cross section. You can represent with capital A or small a, no problem. Now R is equal to, we can write according to Ohm's law, L by A. Ohm's law. R is equal to, if we want to remove the proportionality, we should keep one constant, rho into L by A. What is the rho? Rho is equal to resistivity or specific resistance. Now, what is the unit of resistance? Resistance is measured in ohm. It is the symbol of the ohm. And what is the SI base unit of resistance? SI base unit of resistance is kg meter square by ampere square into second cube. This is the SI base unit of resistance. Next one, the definition of conductance. Conductance G is denoted by G. What is the definition of conductance? It is ease of flow of current, flow of electric current in electrolytic solution. So this is the definition of conductance, and conductance is also known as reciprocal of the resistance. It is reciprocal of resistance, then G is equal to, we can write 1 by R. G is equal to 1 by R. What is the unit of conductance? Unit of G, ohm inverse or mho Siemens is the unit of conductance G. Then after the conductance G, definition of the resistivity or what is the definition of resistivity? Rho definition. the resistance of 1 centimeter cube of 1 centimeter cube of electrolytic solution is called as resistivity rho. And what are the units of rho? Actually rho is R is equal to, we can write rho into L by A. Then rho is equal to what we will get? Rho is equal to R into A by L we will get. Therefore its units ohm, centimeter or ohm meter is the unit of resistivity. Next one, conductivity. K is nothing but kappa. What is the definition of conductivity K? The conductance of either 1 centimeter cube or 1 meter cube of electrolytic solution is known as conductivity K. Conductivity K is the reciprocal of resistivity. So K is equal to 1 by rho. Then what the units of conductivity K? Ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, ohm inverse, meter inverse, or Simon centimeter inverse or Simon meter inverse are the units of conductivity K. Next, after the conductivity K, cell constant. What is cell constant? Look at here. Cell constant is G star. See, for a particular cell constant is constant. G star is equal to L by A. The ratio between distance between the electrodes and area of cross section of electrodes is known as cell constant. L indicates distance between the electrodes. And A indicates area of cross section of electrodes. This ratio is known as cell constant G star. And what are the units of cell constant? Cell constant units, actually length inverse we can take. So centimeter inverse and meter inverse are units of cell constant. For a particular cell constant is always constant. And next thing, we have the relation between cell constant and also resistance and conductivity. Now let us see what is the relation between them. Actually we can write R is equal to rho into L by A. In place of L by A, what we can substitute? We can substitute G star. So R is equal to rho into L by A. In place of that we can substitute G star. Now next to G star is equal to R into 1 by rho. 1 by rho is nothing but what? Conductivity K. So then G star is equal to what we can write? R into K we can write. So this is the relation. G star is equal to R into K. Sometimes they are going to ask the questions on that formula. Now, so this is the conductance of electrolytic solutions. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.